Okay, today we are replacing the SubZero ice maker model number 550, and its bottom freezer and the ice maker in the very top. It's very uncomfortable to access it, and the screws behind, two screws behind the ice maker. Test mode. First of all, the reason we're replacing it, the old ice maker is this type, the module. So in order to test it, you can see the difference now. This one has a gearbox like Whirlpool ice makers, and you need to bypass T and H. Not sure if you see it here or not. Those two buttons, you just need to bypass it and keep the switch closed. There is 3 switches in the back. This is fan, this is light, and this is the ice maker. But in the new ones, we don't have T and H. It's a gear, so we need to put a screwdriver right there. Phillips goes clockwise. So it pretty much, to test it, you need to turn it this way. Kind of goes like that. You can put your hand and pull out the, sorry, not now, too busy. Pull out, grab the fork and pull it out. Also counter top. You pretty much need to pull it out hard. So pretty much how to test it, in other words, you put your hand right there and pull this thing up. On the new ice makers, on the old ones, you need to bypass T and H. But you cannot lift it on this one because it will break. Only on the new one. Only on the new one you can lift them, but you need to kind of pull it hard. And you need to put it until 2 o'clock, and then we'll press the ice maker switch. There is 3 switches in the back. You can see that 3 switches. One is for fan is working. One is for light, it's working. One is for ice maker. Since I already did lift the ice maker, you can see it's making a noise and it's advancing. Both situation, if you put it in a test mode, that switch has to be pressed, otherwise power will not go to the ice maker. And another thing, you have to be very careful. There is a heater in the bottom of the ice maker. If you touch that heater, it's very hot, you will burn yourself, so watch out for that one. So this is the heater and it gets super hot. So that thing, oops, I forgot, it will advance through the cycle. It will go. That's how you test mode it, the ice maker for 550. But for now we're gonna replace the water valve, because the water valve is somebody did repair the water system, and you can see the ice is grayish, and in some of the ice cubes we have a cavity. It means that there is something blocking the water valve. So now we're going to replace the water valve. Water valve in SubZero. It's located under the fridge. Right there. Right here. See the line coming? It looks like that.
We need to turn off the freezer, the switch?
No, it's all good. Yeah, you can see now. You can see that there is a lots of dirt is coming from this water line. Yeah. Okay. Okay, pull it out and you can see it's completely blocked. So, disconnect the line.
Yes, it's still working, just a
Right there.
Oh, I can't understand.
Right there, and it's blocked. Okay, so put the new one. Right, we connect it to the line. All right. And
Yeah, we should have replaced it last time.
yeah. Right. Thing comes from top. Like that. Right.
Did you want to wash? You want to wash first?
No, the water came out. It.
Should be okay, right?
Oh yeah. It's okay. That's it.
Yeah.
So we replaced the valve, we connected it, and always after when we turn on the water we have to check if there is any leak or not. There is no leak, everything is fine, because this fridge been installed, they installed it like 20 years ago, so maybe the hose is bad, maybe the washer, there is a rubber washer is bad, it's better to replace it. But anyway, we turn on the water, we checked it, there is no leak, we're good here. 550 refrigerator SubZero, model number 550. And every time I get asked this question, ice maker is not working. So ice maker could be three parts: water valve, supply water located below the fridge, ice maker itself right there, and the switch. One of these switches is for the ice maker. You can replace all three parts, and definitely that will fix your ice maker not working. But of course you have to check the water. Maybe you have water, maybe you don't have water, who knows. And I know a technician who replaced whole parts and he didn't have a water in supply. So anyway, that could happen.